Hello friends, welcome to my video on Pandas tutorial. So in today's tutorial, let's see what is Pandas data frame. Okay, so I have made a few videos in the past of working with Pandas data frame, but most of the times, like I have got few questions from my friends and subscribers, about what is Pandas data frame is actually all about. So I haven't given any introductory tutorial regarding this. So guys, this video is for you. So what is Pandas? So Pandas is nothing but it's a library which is built over Python for data analysis and data manipulation. Okay, so if you are working in a field of data science or any data warehouse project, this pandas library will be of greater use. Okay, so that is what pandas is all about. And you can easily, if you are using any id like pycharm, you can go into your packages section and easily install pandas. And if you are using command prompt, you can go into your python path and simply give pip install pandas, and your pandas library will be easily installed. Okay, so and okay, coming to our next part, what is data frame? Okay, so data frame is nothing but data frame. We can call data frame as a two-dimensional object, like it is represented in a tabular format in a form of rows and columns. Okay, so this is how data frame is actually represented. So why do I need to use a data frame is the next question. Okay, so I will quickly jump onto my practical tutorial so that you have a clear understanding of what data frame is all about. Okay, so I'm just clearing my output. Okay, fine. If you see my first example, like I have given the dictionary of three different values like a, b and c. Okay, so I'm just quickly running my data frame. Yeah, if you see, this is how. So this is a sample, very simple example of a data frame. So basically it will display the values in form of a table, so in a form of rows and columns by specifying the fields whatever you have specified. So my labels like a, b and c is defined as fields, and it has used default indexing starting from 0. So this is a example of a simple data frame. Okay, so in the second example, like I have used I am gonna perform the same operation of what I did in my first example, but the only difference in my second example is, on my first example I've used only integer types in my dictionary, but here where else I am gonna use three different data types here. Like if you see my first label under name, I've used string, I've used integer here, I've used a boolean value over here. So I just want to show that you can even work with um, a different set of data types is what I am trying to explain in example 2. Okay, and in example 3 I am trying to read a text file. Okay, so which is a pipe delimited file. So if you look into this example, I have details of um, I have details of players. For this is my serial number, this is my name, this is the player's name, and this is the age of the player. But if you deeply look into this file, you do not have any headers specified to it. Like I do not know what column is this. I do not know what column is this, and what does 35 denotes. Okay, but no, in most of the situation, like when you work on real-time projects, you might get these kind of files where you do not have any headers. And even if you have a desk, like you want to match each and every column. Okay, so how do you actually handle it? So that's the question. So if you um, in this example, I know this is my serial number, this is my name and age, but I do not have values or columns specified to it. Okay, so in this example, like I am gonna run this. Yeah, if you see, by default I have specified my index as index column as serial number. For introductory I will keep it as none. Okay, oops. it's not a string. Yeah, if you see, this has easily read the data from my file based on type delimiter, okay, and it is displaying me in the form of table, which is actually data frame. So I have specified three different columns like serial number, name, and age. So it is displaying me details in a form of table. And even if I, as I showed in my previous example, if I want to have serial number as my index, then I can, yeah, I can specify my serial number as index. So similarly, you can play with your data frame in many other ways. There you can fill, if for example, if there are any null values here, I can fill null values. Um, so you can play with your data frame. So those there are quite a lot of advanced topic which I will be covering in my future tutorials. But this is what I want to explain about how pandas data frame will look in real time. So this pandas data frame will be very useful if you are working in a any data science project, if you are working with any if you're working as part of any analytics team, or if you are part of any data analysis team, this pandas data frame will be of greater use, and you will be able to easily work on data analysis and data manipulation. There are advanced concepts like data cleaning and working with data, but we'll cover that in our future tutorials. But this is all what I want to show about in my introductory tutorial about what is pandas data frame. Okay, so this is all about today's video. And if you like if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, post it in the comment section. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And signing off, your friend Thiago. Bye bye.